What's going on, everyone? So I want to share with you an easy meal prep that anybody could try. It's something like if you want to just start dieting, something that you could just get in the supermarket and start today, start tomorrow, and start seeing results. Because the thing is, when you're consistent with your meal, uh, that's when you see the results. And planning ahead, if you were to really like plan your meals out, you'll see the best and fastest results. You could say, in 8 weeks, I want to lose 16 pounds, 2 pounds a week. It's nothing hard as when you're consistent with your meals and you're putting in the work in the gym. And nothing is more motivating, guys. I'm telling you, like when you see results week after week, and that only comes from your meals, the meals that you eat, the nutrition that you get in. Feel free to customize the meal prep that I'm about to show you, because of course everyone is different. So some of you guys might need to lower the calories, like for females, most likely, and of course for guys that are a little bit heavier, you might actually need to add, let's say, breakfast or lunch. The other thing is like if it's being difficult, like it's hard, like dieting for whatever reason it is, try to make that effort to complete like your goal. Like if your goal is 16 pounds in 8 weeks, try to go through those 8 weeks, and then and having a cheat meal here and there, because like it's hard. It's always gonna be hard, but you don't have to make it miserable. Like try to enjoy your meals and learn from your mistakes. It's a lot better than quitting altogether. Because quitting altogether is only gonna lead you into starting again, and starting again, it just makes it a little harder and harder. So definitely try to follow through and learn like the basics. If you guys don't know like how many calories you need, you can always go on YouTube and search like how do I figure out my macros, or how do I figure out how many calories I need to lose weight, and you'll find a lot of very helpful videos there. So let me just show you guys that meal prep right now. Like I said, remember, feel free to customize it to the way you like. All right, so this meal is very easy, very fast, and it tastes amazing. So if you don't have a lot of time to cook meals but you want to see results, try this meal out, and you can always change it to your liking. So if you're bulking, add more calories. If you're cutting, add less calories. That's why I'm using the food scale. When you use the food scale to weigh your chicken, to weigh your rice, to weigh your corn, to weigh your cheese, your extra virgin olive oil, you're gonna know what you're getting. You're gonna know how many total calories you're getting. You're gonna know how much protein you're getting, how much carbs, fats, etc. You're gonna know the right amount for you. So use the food scale as accurately as possible, and I was able to measure every single meal right here, the whole meal prep. I was able to weigh it, and I know exactly what I'm getting, and that's what you want. The video by itself is like self-explanatory. All you have to do is follow the steps and customizing depending on your goals. So like I said, if you want to gain weight, add those extra calories. Try different seasonings. I was using adobo seasoning and oregano. You could try Mustache. I personally ran out of Mustache, so I stuck to adobo and oregano. Uh, Something you can also change is you could change the white rice into brown rice. You could try jasmine rice, etc. And you could try this meal plan for a couple days. Once you get bored of it, like I always say, guys, this is why I'm bringing these videos, is when you get bored of certain meals, your diet's going to be hard to keep up. As simple as that. It's just not going to be easy to keep up. So what you want to do is you always want to change it. You always want to aim for meals that keep your diet interesting. That way you don't get bored, and switch things around. Always switch it around. I have other full day of eating videos you could also check out, and I will be putting this full recipe on the description, the original one. That way, if you want to read the step by step, you could also follow that one. Hopefully, you enjoy the video. Putting the macros on the screen for these meals. So I hope you guys enjoyed that easy meal prep. Definitely give it a try, guys. And remember, it's just all about consistency. And if you guys need help with online coaching, through let's say a custom 8 week meal plan to fit your schedule, and just to help you out through the entire 8 weeks, I do offer that. You could email me at acxangel@yahoo.com. I will be sharing more like custom meal preps, different meals like you guys could try, because when you're dieting, having like different meals is really helpful, because we do get tired of the same thing, repetition, the same meals. That's one of the main reasons why people quit, when they're diet, because the same thing every day is just boring. So definitely email me if you guys need help with that, and we'll be bringing more of those videos. Anyways, guys, hold on to the channel, like the video, comment below, and I'll talk to you guys next time.